Okay, I am so glad that you received your 30 days to healthy living products today. And I'm going to tell you how to use each of the products. Okay, so the two things that you can put aside for now, one is the gut health. You don't need it for a week or so. So you can put it aside. And the other one is the gentle cleanse. This you will need in your third week. So then, so if you receive it today, you probably want to start maybe tomorrow morning. When you get up, the first thing you should use is the gut health. And you just take one of the sticks in the box and mix it with 4 ounces of water. And drink it. See how you like the taste. If you don't mind the taste, actually it tastes pretty good. I like it. If you don't like the taste, you can put it in your protein shake. But if you like the taste, it's best to drink it first thing in the morning. So you mix it and you drink it in a shot or just in a few sips. And so that is first thing in the morning with an empty stomach is best. And then when you are ready for your breakfast, if you are going to use your protein shake for breakfast, this is your protein shake. Probably you can tell. Wait, okay. This is your protein shake. This is the chocolate flavor, but you might have opted for other flavors. What you do is put 2 scoops of it. Well, if you are not using any other vegetables, I would advise you to put water or non-dairy milk in your container first, because once the powder is in, it's difficult to shake. So if you are using other vegetables, I like to put greens in it, fresh greens, like spring greens, baby greens, or kale, or something like that. I put some of it at the bottom, and then I put a carrot, those baby carrots, or if it's a big carrot, you can cut it up, put it in the like a bullet, your mixing device, and then you can put add your non-dairy milk, which can be don't use soy milk, because we want to avoid soy unless it's organic and non-GMO, but we still prefer you not to use soy or dairy. So use like almond milk, rice milk, or coconut milk, or even water. I use just water. If you are trying to lose weight, water is just good enough. But clean water, okay? I use purified water. So you use 2 scoops of the protein shake mix, and then you can also put 1 scoop of the superfood greens in it, because a lot of people, they don't like the taste of the greens because it's powdery. If you don't mind it, drink it by itself. It's another drink, but if it's more convenient, I prefer it in my shake. So then I mix the two. I also add seeds like pumpkin seeds or sesame seeds. But with sesame seeds, you need to grind it up. I didn't know in the beginning. I just used the seeds. But if you use like sesame seeds or flax seeds or chia seeds, you should grind it up, because otherwise your body might not be able to digest it. And then I put cinnamon, or sometimes I put walnuts or almonds or pumpkin seeds. So it's all healthy fats. So, you don't need to use much, a spoonful or a handful. If it's nuts, you use a small handful. If it's seeds, a tablespoonful. And then I put frozen berries, frozen fruits. So one day I might use mixed berries, another day I use strawberries, another day I use pineapple or mango. I have all these frozen fruits. I get them from Costco. I have them in my freezer, and I'll use them. But if you prefer to use fresh fruits, you can put ice cubes in it and then blend it. I think that's all I put in. Yeah. Then blend it and enjoy. And then during the day, you can drink the energy fizz any time of the day. If you have trouble sleeping, like I am, I cannot drink this after noon. I'm very sensitive. So I drink it first thing in the morning when I'm exercising, not first thing in the morning, but when I'm exercising. I drink it to give me extra energy. But a lot of people drink it throughout the day, and you can drink, I drink only one a day, but some people drink 2 or 3. It has a little bit of caffeine in it from guarana. So be careful if you're sensitive, if you have trouble sleeping, don't drink it too late. Yeah, this is a delicious drink. My husband doesn't like to drink water, and I put this in his drink and he will drink a lot of it. So, and he doesn't have any problem sleeping, so he can drink it until the evening. So that, you can get them in different flavors, try out different flavors. And it's always so interesting. Our brand comes out with different flavors all the time. And so then the next thing that you would use is our Herbal Detox Tea. The Herbal Detox Tea. So one bag makes 1 to 2 cups of tea, and you can drink it throughout the day. You can drink as much as you want. There is no no problem if you drink a lot of it. You can drink it hot or you can drink it cold. You can make it, cool it down, and then put it in the fridge and it becomes iced tea, or you can add ice cubes to it. And some people, if you are trying, well, we advise people to avoid coffee, alcohol, dairy, gluten, and GMO during these 30 days. So, so if you are trying to avoid caffeine or coffee, then you can make the herbal detox tea, and after you let it cool down a little bit, you can add the energy fizz to it, and we call that a tizzy because it's a tea with a fizzy, and it tastes really good. So you can do that hot or cold. Then let's see, I think I have covered everything. The fiber, because the protein shake has already some fiber in it, we want you to get used to we want your body to get used to the fiber first, because some people, they are not used to taking fiber. And if we add too much fiber in the beginning, you might feel bloated or gassy. So we want you to just use the protein shake to start with. And then after a few days, if you find that you're not gassy or bloated, then you can add the fiber. And this fiber, there's a scoop inside. You can start with a 1/4 scoop or half a scoop, and then work it up to 1 scoop for each shake. If you take 2 shakes a day, then you use 1 scoop each shake for each shake. So it comes to 2 scoops a day, and that's your requirement for the day. That's what the FDA recommends, that you have 24 grams of fiber, and each scoop is 12 grams. Okay, so so you add this after a few days when you feel that you're not bloated with the protein shake itself. Then you add this to your protein shake, and this fiber is tasteless, colorless, and odorless. So you can put it in your cooking. If you need more fiber, just add fiber to your cooking. And then the last product that you will be using in your 3rd week, I will tell you about it as on your 3rd week as well. This is your gentle cleanse. There are 7 sachets in there. So in your 3rd week, you will start using this. You mix 1 sachet in 32 ounces of water, and you drink it throughout the day. And you want to drink another 32 ounces of water separately, so that you get about 64 ounces of water. And this tastes like lemonade. So so it's delicious, as it's easy to drink. It's better when you drink it cold. When you mix it with room temperature water, and then you can put it, after you mix it, put it in the fridge. But every time you take it out to pour it into your glass, shake it up before you pour it out, and then drink it. Because if you leave it in the fridge, it will, the powder will go down to the bottom, and you don't want it all to be at the bottom at the end. So shake it up before you pour it into a glass. Or if you drink it from the bottle, just shake it up before you drink. Okay? So I will send you another video that tells you what else you should do for the day. But this is how to use the products, and the other video is on a sample day. Okay, so I'm so excited that you are doing the 30 days to healthy living and beyond program with me, and I will be in touch with you. And keep in touch. Ask me any questions you want whenever you want. Text me, call me, or send me an email, whichever way is easiest, or messenger message. Okay, look forward to hearing from you, and I'm cheering you on to get the best health that you can ever be. And whether you want to lose a few pounds, you want to detoxify your body, and this will get you healthier. Okay, take care, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.